Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to finish another side of the hallway, because when I made a first video and show how I finish this left side, you asked me how you finish another side. So it's not a big problem, just need to know how to do it. Let's go, I will show you. So I wanna show you how nice come. So you see board, there is a this edge, back lock side, and we will check all the way. So this needs because it's wavy, maybe need to pre-cut. Oh, you see, this is fine. Just wall not too straight. And here, like was before, oh, that's it. Settle. So nice straight line. Now I want to finish this side. It's not big problem, and I can spread installation to this way and to this way. So let's go. So my dear friends, why I show you this installation and how I pre-cut, it's really slow. You have to just watch it, what I am doing. Just why I'm showing you these things, because I saw how many installation DO did, and they cut floor around the casing and door frame. So, and you will see the gap. So this is not tile, this is laminate or hardwood or vinyl installation. It should be under the door frame, no any gaps. So if you remember, if casing so small around the door, just do little radius here. Okay? If you make a 90-degree cut and don't make a bevel like I showed you, it's 100% when you put the board under the door frame, you will see the hole. This is the corner, so why need to make a bevel? You see the edge almost out, so I wanna put it more in, you see, and then lock another board, and these two boards move a little bit back. You see, I can't lock boards together because I need to move first board forward, but there is not enough space because it's already tied to drywall. What I did, I took the knife and cut drywall. Now I can't move board forward a little bit, and then I can lock the board and slide both boards back. For easy slide boards under the door frame and casing around the door, I always put knife. It's helped me. It's like, you know, another couple of hands I have, because it's too far. You know, you see how far I'm from the casing, so it helped me slide easy in, you know, boards. see, now it's nice. So this edge under the trim, we have gap here, and we have gap right there, you see. Long straight line, it's not a trouble to install. If you remember, I showed you some walls was wavy in that place when I installed this board. So what I did, I just shaved the board a little bit full of the walls and install whole this line. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.